Hello everyone, this is Mao and today we'll be opening these free pin packs in every account which I have. So we are getting free rewards every day for at least a week. So there will be videos every single day. So stay tuned guys. And this is my main account with 13.8k trophies and a 751 Daryl which is really nice. I want some cool Daryl pins and cold pins also. I like his double gun pin. So let's see what we get. Oh, double cry, B and Edu and search thumbs up. Okay, B. Okay, nice. Where's Edgar now? Most trophies, yeah. He's also got two pins now and search, yep. And he has three pins now, good. So we'll go into our next account now. Just a minute, guys. Yeah, so let's go into our next account now. So that was 13,000. Now we'll go to Mao Mini 7,800 trophies. Yeah, just a minute. Okay, so the free pin pack. Let me see my brawlers once. I like Edgar and Nani pins. Dinah also is good. Yeah, two of them I have. So let's see. Hope we get Dinah. Oh no, we didn't get. But the Jean one is good. El Primo Angry. So Primo, Daryl and Jean. Daryl. Okay, two pins for him now. And Jean has two pins. And El Primo, who is going to have two. Okay, good. So let's go into our next one. And it is going to be Mao Brawl Stars, the other one, with 6.3k trophies. Oh, 6.1k, not 3. Sorry. Yeah, so I would love some squeak pins and Byron also. He has angry and normal one for till now. Loop pins are good, but I really want squeak. So let's hope we get it. So let's open this pin pack now. Barley, oh Dinah at least, yeah. Double crying and Rosa thumbs up, okay. So Barley, Dinah and Rosa. Dynamite, crying one. Crying Barley and Rosa. Thumbs up. Three pins for Rosa now. Okay. Now let's go into our jamming account Lele Po, which is the name. So okay, these are the quests. Let's see the brawlers first. Not too many brawlers, but okay. Some Dinah, Colt. I love Colt pins. Daryl pins. Okay, the crying one is there. Yeah, so let's see. Penny. Oh, the Angry Carl. I have never had that one. So Penny, Carl, and Nita. Penny. Okay, two pins now. Oh, okay. Carl. The Angry one. I've never had this. It's nice. Huh? Okay, and Nita. So Trophy Road Brawler. Okay, nice. Now my cursed account. Mr. Cursed with zero trophies. Yep, so it only has Shelly, Barley, and Rosa. No other brawler. So let's see what we get. Okay, let's get this one. Just a second. Yep. Okay. Angry Rosa, crying Barley, and thumbs up Shelly. Will we get the challenge in this one? I don't know. No, I don't think we'll get the challenge for this one. Ah, that's bad. Yeah, the crying one and Angry Rosa pen. And I made one extra account today just so that I could get a cold pen. I really like cold pens. It doesn't have too many brawlers. I'll show it to you guys right now. And the name of the account is Mao Cheese. And it has cold, barley, not barley, Nita, Shelly, and Rosa. We'll see what we get. Oh, yeah, the mega box also. I think we should play a few more matches and gain a few more trophies. Yeah. So let's do that first. Yeah, Shelly. No, I'll let the Shelly stay at those trophies only. No need to touch. Yep, so let's play a few matches with Rosa in solo showdown. Get a few trophies and unlock the mega box and the pin pack. Oh no, what was I doing? Yep, so kill the cold. Let's go for the Nita, I think. Yeah. Okay, kill the Nita. Easy. When I made this account, I played with Shelly without getting any power cubes in this map, and it was really nice. I came first in that. Oh, the Rosa didn't die. Yeah. Okay, let's get these 7 power cubes. 4 brawlers left and 8 power cubes now. 3 brawlers. There's one there, so we'll go here. Okay, Rosa and a Shelly. We'll let them fight. Now we'll go. Let's kill the Shelly and wait. 67 health only. Okay, I'll also activate it for no reason. Okay, over. Nice. Good, and now. Okay, we didn't get anything. Let's continue. Okay, so got 2 power cubes here. One, and let's go for the colt, I think. Yeah, the colt. Oh, he knew that I was there. How? Okay. 3. Okay, got one more. And 6 brawlers left. Okay, I think we'll wait here. Is anyone there? Yeah. 5 brawlers left. Make it 4 now. Oh, Shari Super. Wasted it for no reason. Okay, don't die. Oh, I thought. I just fat fingered that super. I didn't want to. Okay, 3. Okay, 2 brawlers left. We'll wait here. 8 power cubes, 2 brawlers. I think the Rosa is somewhere here. Yeah, there. 5 power cubes, not bad. Spinning a little bit before killing. Let's do it. Let's end this one so that we can go into a few more matches. Okay. So, what's the next brawler? Oh, that's a little bit far. We'll see. Yeah, so I'll play a few matches and come back. So, with the help of my friends Shri and Suryam, we have finally pushed this account a little bit. I opened a few boxes, but I didn't get anything. That was a little sad, but no problem. The mega box first, and only 4. What is this? Okay, nice, nice. We have a chance for a primo pin also now. Let's open it. Shelly, Rosa, and Nita. Okay, that was the last pin pack. Hope you guys like the video. For more quality content, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Thank you. And don't forget to watch these videos which are going to come out every day, because these free rewards are coming for the next week continuously. Bye guys, and don't forget to join my club Mau Brawl Stars YT. Thank you.